But today we're going with some of those recipes we always like. Nutritious and enjoyable both in summer and winter, a super pasta salad.
Start by cooking the pasta you prefer. I like fusilli. Add a little salt and wait for it to come to a boil over medium heat. Once it starts boiling, add the pasta and wait until it's cooked, according to the manufacturer's instructions. In my case, 10 minutes, I leave it covered. And while I prepare the rest of the ingredients, I grab a bell pepper. In my case, a red one specifically. I cut a third of it into small cubes. I also take 6 pickles and slice them. If you're wondering about the pickles I use, I prefer sweet and sour ones like those typically found in hamburgers. I'll put it in this bowl, chopped up, while I work on the other ingredients. I'm putting a packet of green olives here. I've already drained the liquid, and now I'm going to chop them. 2 avocados, the usual. Well, if you've never seen how to open an avocado, I don't know what world you're living in, but this is how you do it. We stick the knife into the pit, twist and take it out, and then go inside. You make some little cubes with the knife, and with a spoon, you scoop it out and put it directly on the plate where you want to set it aside, and it comes out already diced. It's that easy. I guess you already knew that, but it's never too late to remember. We also put the dressing in a cup, and I'm going to do it like this. With a good splash of olive oil that I love, I'm also going to add a good splash of lemon juice and black pepper, freshly ground. That detail is important, freshly ground, because it's amazing. And of course, salt to taste. Something this simple, mixed with a fork so it gets its texture and even color, is already perfect. And this paste is ready, so out it goes. We're going to drain it and rinse it with cold water so it keeps the same texture and doesn't keep cooking. Once we've cooled it down, we're going to plate it. We take it to the tray where we want to present this wonder, the pasta. I'm also going to add a few cherry tomatoes and 2 cans of tuna. I like to add it plain, without oil or anything, but make sure it's well drained. It adds a touch of protein, flavor, and a bit of texture, so I recommend it. We also add the avocado and the bell pepper that we cut earlier. And of course, we're going to add the pickle and the olive that we had set aside in the bowl. All that's left is to give it that extra flavor with the dressing, and most importantly, mix it with a little bit of love. Things made with care always taste better. Pour the dressing in, spread it around a bit. That way it'll be easier to get an even flavor. And if you want to make a double portion of dressing, no problem. That way, you leave a little so everyone can serve themselves on their own plate too. Mix everything well until it's all shiny and enjoy.
Look at this amazing sight. A nutritious, delicious, colorful recipe. It has everything. And best of all, everyone likes it. I hope you feel encouraged to make it. Just look how amazing it is, and it's super easy too.
And well,
2 things remain, with the first being most important. What a crazy thing, how nice. I hope you tell me 2 things. It's not pasta salad, but what's your favorite salad? Also, where are you watching from? If you answer that, together we'll travel the whole world through delicious recipes.